like a Mount Dandenong sort of way. So raise the nose a bit, pull back, pull back, pull back. Not the nose comes down that much. You need to turn to the right. Your runway's going to be up over here. Pull back a lot. You're way too nose down. It's going to be hard to see, but at the moment, come around to the right. It's going to be roughly where your heading bug is. That's the localizer down the bottom saying you've just gone through your sensor line. So come around to the right. It's harder to see when it's daytime, it gets hazy. That's why a lot of the ones I actually have them set up where it's dawn or dusk. It's easier to see when the runway lights are on. The runway's up over here. You see it there? You've got your pappy lights either side. A little red at the moment. Effingham Airport over there. It's always easy to see because the big fuel tanks are above ground there, whereas they're underground at most international airports. Come to the left. Oh, the nose a little. Left a little bit more.
Think rate. Think rate.
Right.
Think rate. Think rate. Think rate. Think rate.
Open to the right.
100, 50, 30, 20, 10.
Alright, welcome to Tom Marine. Now we've only got a couple of minutes left. You're going to go to a place called Madeira.